CapCut PC or CapCut Mobile. I'm sure you probably saw that in the thumbnail. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the reason why you should choose CapCut PC over CapCut Mobile or CapCut Mobile over CapCut PC. And yeah, before we dive into CapCut PC or CapCut Mobile, reasons to use them, why and what and all of that. What is CapCut? Now, everybody knows CapCut, but yeah, actually, what is CapCut? If I ask you, what is CapCut? Alright, I know you know the answer. Now, CapCut is a video editing application designed for both beginners and professionals. I know some of you might doubt the word professional because there are other applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and a lot of editing softwares that you people tag professional softwares. But yes, CapCut can also be used for professional editing. Now, CapCut offers an easy to use interface even on the first click when you get into it, and it offers also a wide range of features that you can be able to use, more like the normal things in video editing: trimming, adding music, adding captions, splitting, merging clips, and a whole lot of them. It also supports advanced tools like keyframing that is used for animation and motion graphics, chroma key effect, which is the green screen effect, and even motion tracking. I know these are lots of things that are really used in video production. To cut everything short, actually, CapCut can be used to edit videos professionally for both TikTok, Instagram videos, YouTube videos, and a whole wide range of videos, with exports in high resolutions and support to small and upcoming video editors. Now, I don't know how bulky that was, but yeah, that is just all about CapCut. But in this video, I'll be telling you why you should actually use CapCut PC or CapCut Mobile, depending on what you want, what you have, and yes, everything that is needed. I'm Samuel Favor and this is TechLensive, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, do also hit the subscribe button because your subscription motivates me to create more videos like this. Share this video to your editor friends so that they can come and learn what you've learned too. And if you're a returning subscriber, I cut cap for you. Now, in today's video, I will tell you in depth what the thumbnail actually says. Let's head down into it. Now, here are 5 reasons why you should edit with your smartphone, that is your mobile phone, what is in your hand. Portability, quick edits, simplicity, TikTok friendly, and low equipment need. Now, I'm going to be talking and explaining these reasons so that you get to understand it a lot more. First off, portability. Portability is actually simplified. You can be able to edit your videos on the go, anywhere, anytime, wherever you are. You just bring out your mobile phone and you edit quickly whatever you want to edit. Secondly, quick edits. You can be able to just bring out your phone and do the basic editing. You can just trim your videos, cut your videos, add text, add overlays, and yeah, you can pretty much even add captions to your videos quickly and easily. Not like the CapCut PC where you would need to sit down on your decks to do the whole work. Thirdly, simplicity. Now, anybody that opens the CapCut app can actually know what to do, because when opening the CapCut app, you would see guides that would actually even teach you how to edit with the CapCut mobile application. That is even without no tutorials. I don't know if you're getting me. Fourthly, TikTok friendly. Now, whenever someone talks about TikTok, one thing that comes into your mind will be CapCut, because on CapCut, that is where templates are being made. All the templates that you're seeing on TikTok, most of the trending templates, they are all made on CapCut, and I think CapCut is affiliated with TikTok. Yes, and you can actually even make money on CapCut when you create templates for TikTok. I don't know how many of you have made money or how many of you know this feature, but if you do, tell me on the comment section. Last but not the least, which is the 5th one, low equipment. Now, low equipment is just you need your mobile phone to do all the edits. You don't need the mouse, you don't need a big screen, you don't need a keyboard, you just need your smartphone, the application on your smartphone, and you're good. Now, let's even shift away the reason why you should use your mobile phone to edit your videos. Why not use CapCut PC? Why not CapCut PC? Why mobile phone editing? Or why CapCut PC, not mobile phone editing? Did I get it? Did I do the switch well? Actually, there are also 5 reasons I will tell you why you should use your CapCut PC to using CapCut Mobile. Firstly, bigger screen. Now, this is very easy to explain. You can be able to edit all your videos with seeing the videos clearly. You can be able to see all your edits very, very clearly. You can do more layers and adjustment and a whole lot of it. You get a bigger screen. Secondly, keyboard and mouse. Now, these are external things that are added to make your editing and your workflow also very easy. You get your keyboard, you get your mouse, you know all the shortcuts to editing. That is if you're a pro. Even if you're a beginner, when you're even on the interface and you go with your mouse to wherever you want to click, they will tell you the shortcut, and on using the shortcuts with your keyboard, you can easily edit and input all you want to input while editing your videos. Thirdly, powerful performances. Now, there are some projects that your mobile phone cannot handle. Yes, there are some projects that when they are sent to you, your mobile phone cannot handle it. First of all, your phone will likely get to overheat, but on your laptop, it will actually run smoothly and there will be no overheating. It is something you will get on with quite very easily. Also, your laptop can handle more layers. That is, it can handle more overlays on it, more adjustments. It has a lot more features to it, much more than the CapCut mobile. And even you can even understand that on the CapCut mobile application, there are some tools that you'd have to use as a pro version, whereas on CapCut PC they are actually free. Let's talk about auto captioning and a whole lot of features too. Fourthly, advanced features. Now you might be like, advanced features, how? There are a whole lot of advanced features on the CapCut PC application. First of all, it has bigger screen. It is a laptop, or it is a desktop, or it is a PC, so it can be able to handle a whole lot of projects. That's why when some editors say they edit on CapCut, and yes, they edit on CapCut PC, they're actually taking it professional, because there are a whole lot of things that you can do and achieve on the CapCut PC that you cannot be able to achieve on the CapCut mobile application. I don't know if you're getting me. If you've not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button. That was a quick one. And yeah, do not forget to use the 5% promo code that you're seeing on the screen to get the product from the Oraimo store. Heading forward, better export options. Now, on the CapCut PC, you can be able to get a whole lot of better export options. You have the 720p export, the 1080p, the 2K, the 4K, and yes, while even editing, you can be able to see the Apple Res and all the Apple LUT and Rect. I don't know if you get me. All these features are seen while you are even actually editing on the CapCut PC. That is, if you're using a MacBook to edit your videos. Now, I want to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of actually using your mobile phone to edit. Now, I'll go through with the advantages. First of all, it is user-friendly for beginners. That is, a beginner that doesn't know how to edit can actually use it. Secondly, it is always available on your phone. Once you have the mobile application on your phone, you're good to go and edit wherever you are. Thirdly, it is ideal for short form content, meaning that yes, you can use it to edit your TikTok videos and which other videos. And fourthly, which I would end it with, it is actually free and accessible wherever. Now for the disadvantages. Now, the smaller the size of your screen, the smaller or the less visible your edits will be to you. Secondly, you would have limited processing power, meaning that some of the files will take a lot of time to render. Thirdly, editing on your mobile phone can actually drain your battery quickly, depending on the project you're editing. And yeah, some of the advanced features are actually harder to use, like the keyframing, doing some actual real edits. They're actually hard to do on the CapCut mobile app. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of editing CapCut PC? I would actually also start with the advantages. It is better for professional editing. You can be able to handle a whole lot of projects and it will run smoothly. You can easily and quickly use advanced tools, and yes, with the help of your mouse and your keyboard, you can be able to edit a whole lot more faster. Now, what are the disadvantages? You would require a PC, that is a laptop or a desktop, and yes, if you don't have this, you cannot be able to edit. And you know, sometimes these things are actually not portable to carry around with you. Now, the interface might be a little bit complex for someone that doesn't actually have any knowledge about editing. You will need a good PC to run this smoothly on your laptop. Yes, like a very good PC, so that your videos will not glitch. I don't know if you're getting me. And last but not the least, it is actually less convenient for quick edits, meaning that you cannot do edits quickly, especially if you're on the go. You would need your laptop, you need to settle, you would need to do a whole lot of things. Now, I don't know. And then for content creators, for YouTube creators, Facebook creators, Instagram creators, now depending on the kind of content you're doing, if you're just doing TikTok contents that just need you to do templates, you can actually use your mobile phone. But if you want to go fully and deeply into the world of video editing, I think you can actually start up with your mobile phone. But if you have a laptop, you can also dive in to using your PC to edit. I hope this video has actually cleared you very well, like whether you're going to be using CapCut PC or CapCut Mobile. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified about it. Your subscription motivates me to create more videos like this. And yes, till the next one. Peace.